Now I'm going to make my surface anatomy. What is surface anatomy? Again, it is the elevations and depressions I can see. In the labial side, I know that the elevations is the cervical ridge. This cervical ridge is present in the cervical third. Okay, all the surface is convex with maximum convexity at the cervical ridge, right? So don't make any line here. Don't make it sharp like this. You should make it rounded. You see, I can just make some roundation here, as you see, and just move with your curver on the top of this sharp line like this. Okay, and here also these lines, try to make it slightly rounded like this. Don't make any line sharp in our carving because natural teeth has no sharp edges. Okay, they are not artificial like tables. No, they are natural teeth, so they should have some smooth appearance and roundness like this. So in the labial surface, I make my elevations. What are the elevations I see? Just the cervical ridge. Okay, what about the surface itself? It is smooth and convex, as you see. How can I make it smooth and convex? Just make slight roundation for the line angles here, and they're slight. Don't miss your trapezoid outline, and don't remove like this till you remove this angle. They should be always wider at the incisor. Should be wider here and narrower here. Okay, so make it here like this, narrower here and here. This is the labial surface. What about the lingual surface? First of all, I should draw my outlines. Here I have, this is my top of the wax, right? Just go 1 millimeter below and mark a line like this. Draw my elevations and depressions in the lingual side as we draw in the diagram. You see, this is the first line away from the incisal edge with 1 millimeter. From this, don't reach the end. From this point also make another line parallel to the surface, which means narrow at the cervical. The same with the tip of the curver, make it as a pen like this. You see? So what are these lines? I have here my incisal ridge, I have here my distal marginal ridge, I have here my mesial marginal ridge. Then the fourth elevation I have is the cingulum. How can I make my cingulum? I told you that the cingulum is not a linear elevation. This is linear elevation, like the cervical ridge here. This is linear elevation. مطب اللي اتفقنا عليه، مطب الشارع بيبقى linear all over. But here the cingulum is bulge, rounded bulge, enlargement here. So first of all, I should make some roundation for this line. Don't make it sharp like this. I make roundation here and there. Okay, to make it a rounded area. Then with this part, this spoon inside and the end of the curver, come and join these two lines in the form of half circle like this. Start at one point, insert, and then go smoothly like this. See? So now I draw the elevations. Just a drawing. How can I make it curved? If I want these to be elevations, I should make the central area more depressed, which is called the lingual fossa. So I should remove my wax from this area because this area is a depression, lingual fossa, and I have my elevations all over this depression. So again with the back of my curver, stay here parallel to the line you have drawn, you see, and remove slightly. Take care, I have here one elevation in the incisor edge. Don't remove it till the end, no, just go like this. Shall I leave it like this? No. You see how it is irregular? I should make it more smooth, but take care, don't make excess removal. Okay, if I just make it like this, to make it smooth, how can you make it smooth? After you removed with the spoon here, use the back and make it smooth like this. Try to make it as smooth as you can in this step. Leave the margins elevated all over for the marginal ridges and the incisal edge. Okay. And here just accentuate this cingulum again to appear bulgy than the adjacent surface.